electrical circuit diagram that is located inside different kinds of panels, and it is not easily seen. In this case, you can use the electrical circuit diagram that has illustrated the configuration of electric circuit to carry out circuit analysis and circuit diagnosis. Before analyzing the circuit, you should first know how to use the electrical circuit diagram and the abbreviated circuit symbols. By using the electrical circuit diagram, you can not only know about circuit wiring on each system, but also find out the location of each component. Click on the 5 items and learn to use the electrical circuit diagram. The electrical circuit diagram is available online. First of all, when you search for the electrical circuit diagram, you should either access the GSW or connect a diagnostic device to the vehicle. Select the electrical circuit diagram and choose vehicle type, year, and other conditions. Then click on the system that you want to see to display the corresponding electrical circuit diagram. Automobile wiring is not composed of separate wires, but is composed of a group of wires called harness. A harness is divided into main harness, floor harness, and door harness, depending on the location and use. The type and shape of a harness differ depending on the vehicle type. Refer to the harness layout for each vehicle type for more detail. Click the buttons to check for the location of each harness. If you use the electrical circuit diagram online, you can search for the connector information and location of components easily and quickly. Each connector has a unique number. If you click on the number, you can check for the connector information and location of the components at the same time. You can see 2 numbers that are composed of alphabet letters and numbers below the name of the component in the electrical circuit diagram. You can search for the location of this component and find the connector information by using this number. First of all, use the P number to find the location of the component. You can find the picture with the corresponding number in the Components Locations section in the electrical circuit diagram. Use the C number to find the connector information. If you move to the page with the corresponding number from the Connector View section in the electrical circuit diagram, you can check for the connector information. You can easily find the wires on an actual vehicle by using the color and thickness of the wire. The number indicated next to the wires on the electrical circuit diagram is a terminal number, which refers to the location of the terminal in the connector. The thickness and color of the wires are marked together. The number with 1 decimal place indicates the thickness of the wires in square millimeter, and the alphabet indicates the color of the wires.
You've got mail.
The electrical circuit diagram provides the location of components, connector information, and color and thickness of the wires, so you can use it for inspection on an actual vehicle. Based on the content we have learned so far, find the components and connectors by going through a simulation. Since an electrical circuit diagram cannot actually display all the elements on every circuit, a circuit symbol is used. From now on, we will look at the symbols that are used on the circuit diagram. Click the mouse button to check for the circuit symbols. In addition to these, there are more circuit symbols that are used in place for actual component names on the vehicle circuit diagram. Please refer to the electrical circuit diagram for more details. You should be familiar with the circuit symbols in order to analyze the circuit on an actual vehicle. Make sure you use the simulation and complete the electrical circuit diagram using the symbols by yourselves. Click on the simulation button and check on the details. So far, we have learned about how to use an electrical circuit diagram and circuit symbols, which is the first step for analyzing the circuit diagram. On a vehicle, a controller that contains a switch, a relay, and an electronic circuit controls the circuit. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about the circuit control process, which is the second step for analyzing the circuit. Please review and memorize the contents you have learned so far.